Yes, il est avec nous ce soir. Il a l'air timide quand même depuis tout à l'heure, vous ne trouvez pas?
Un peu. Mais quand je vois son accoutrement, la timidité est très loin de là.
Ah,
C'est bling bling.
bonsoir, John Skid Crazy.
Good evening, good evening.
Yeah.
Super, Obama là.
Bonsoir tout le monde dans la salle. C'est comment? Hein? C'est comment?
Ça va bien.
Non, oh là là.
You damn the way,
John
bro.
Skid Crazy
Yes.
is the key to interior. You are not Indian.
Oh.
You don't have the key.
Bonsoir tout le monde dans la salle. C'est comment? Hein? C'est comment?
The good answer, please.
On est là.
On est là.
Ah. Il y a de la triche sur ce plateau.
C'est comment?
On est là.
d'accord.
On est là.
Voilà. Alors, Joe, tu as la première question.
Alors, John, sur Internet, en ce moment, tu es, comme on dit, l'enfant prodige, the WizKid of humor on social media.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow.
How did you become comedian as young as you are?
Well, I never wanted to be a comedian. Like, I was just a young boy, small boy with an Android phone. So with my Android phone, I love to edit videos. So I just like doing videos, editing them, and they became something. It was amazing. When I showed people, they were like, wow, this is great. You can actually do something. So I started shooting small comedies in my quartier. Yeah, when people saw them, they loved them. So that's how I started.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Bien dit, hein?
it was very interesting. What do you think interests people in what you propose to them?
Actually, I think the creativity, and to see a young person, because here in Cameroon we don't have young people doing that already, like in Nigeria compared to Nigeria. So to see a young person doing that, like I actually produce my comedy skits on my own, so doing that all alone is a lot.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
21 ans.
great.
Wow,
Very
trop
young.
jeune. Très.
And about school?
Uh,
About school?
yeah, I just stopped at advanced level
Advanced level.
Avance le
Since
last year.
last
L'année
year?
dernière.
Why?
Actually, I'm still thinking about that.
Thinking about what? Continue with school or to do what after?
Yeah, to continue.
Just to
with school,
say,
but-
make comedy, sing or what?
No. Actually, I have a plan to continue my comedy
okay.
career.
Yeah.
That one. But with school, I'm still thinking about that.
Tout à l'heure, Joe, quand il te présentait, il a rappelé que de façon cumulée, tu draines pratiquement 6 millions de personnes sur les réseaux sociaux. Et tu l'as indiqué tout à l'heure, tu as commencé de façon très simple. C'était de façon très simple. Est-ce que tu t'attendais en fait à ce succès que tu as aujourd'hui?
No, I never expected it. Je n'ai pas prévenu ça.
Oui.
Yeah.
So I just started like, it was interesting. I loved what I was doing, so I just did it, and out of a sudden everything is just happening. So I'm happy.
Tu es surprised?
Yeah,
or you are-
I'm surprised I'm surprised with the love I'm gaining, people showing me love, people who support me even without knowing me, so it's amazing.
Even your family
Have you a
supports you?
team?
No,
No team?
Actually,
You are
when we
alone?
started, it was a team, but working with a team is really difficult because everyone has his own problems, so later it became individual. So
But you know it's not possible. It's not. I don't want to say possible. It's not easy to just work alone.
Alone.
You have to
Yeah.
have a team.
no, I find
to
it
work
easy.
with. Yeah.
Yeah, working alone now, I find it easy because I do what I want to do when I want to do it. Like I won't have to disturb someone. Like I won't have to change your program
Yeah.
to come in. I just do it, and I feel like okay, let me do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can get few other comedians on board. Let's do this. Okay, you know what you're going to benefit from that. If I say okay, let's shoot a skit, it's a collabo. We are doing this together. You benefit, I benefit. Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have any permanent cast? Any? You don't have any permanent cast?
No.
No.
It's
Alors,
just-
the idea of starting sketches on the web is part of what?
it's just a part of me, like my day-to-day life, whatever I come across. Like whatever, I'm a very creative person. Like well, just here, if I at the end, before leaving here, I might come up with a skit, just develop an idea, and the next day I shoot it. But that's just it.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah. Just pick up things from scratch and build them. Yeah. You might just say something here, just a word, just a small sentence, and from there you can build a skit.
It inspired you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, c'est bien dit ça en
That's
tout cas.
just it.
Alors, what is your most famous video on the web? The story. You have the story of this video? The
Yeah.
famous one?
The video that actually blew up my Facebook, guys. A video of I was with my friend.
Yeah.
There were 3 of us. So the other person was sleeping.
Yeah.
So while he was sleeping, like you have these crazy friends who always snap, who take you pictures when you're always
Ouais.
in a
Ah, il en parlait tout à l'heure.
Yeah. Like if you are just sleeping, you open your mouth,
Yes.
you just snap or post on WhatsApp.
Ah.
So when he was sleeping, we put cigarette in his mouth,
And-
take a picture,
Yeah.
upload it on WhatsApp. Before he could find out, it was already on WhatsApp. And then the next part, we were moving on the way. He said he wanted to go and use the bush. Since he knows we are those type of friends, so he collected our phones. But surprisingly for him, when he was in the bush, he saw we used a drone
Yeah.
in the air to take him. We could do anything at any possible means to show, just to do him bad.
Who cast the actor? Because actors in your are very, very creative.
Crazy,
And,
yes.
and they are very performant. How do you cast actor? It is you that cast, or there's someone that casts actor for you?
I would say right now we don't actually cast actors
Just to
but it's really difficult. Not everyone has the talent. So what we do is we don't do like professionals. We just do it part by part. If it will take us the whole day, but at the end we should be able to do it.
So it means that you work first of all with your friends,
Yeah.
those who are around you, all right?
Yeah. At first I used to work with friends. Yeah, at times I work with friends. Like in positions where I need a crowd. Yeah, I involve friends. But right now, it's not like I don't just work with friends. I work with colleagues like Easy Kid. I don't know if you know them, Moses Entertain. They are comedians.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when we work together like that, it helps a lot. It helps you. It helps me. So
partnerships.
yeah.
How do your parents appreciate what you do?
Oh, my parents do appreciate me. My parents do appreciate my mom especially. I'm a
Ah,
big fan.
the name of your mom?
Our Pascaline.
Awa Pascaline.
Ma Pascaline.
He's here in Douala or Northwest
No,
or
my mom
where?
is not in Cameroon.
Ah, it's not in Cameroon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where is she?
My mom is in Finland.
Okay,
Ah,
My father is in
Finland.
Bamenda.
Ah, your father is Bananda.
Yeah.
Ah.
My father is in Bamenda.
He know that you do
Yeah, my
sketch
father knows,
comedy.
but just like he wants like school first.
Yeah.
With my mom. With
Yeah.
my mom. Yeah.
School first. School
Yeah,
first.
School first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Comme ça, les
I
parents.
agree with that.
Peut-être que tu fais pas d'abord à l'école.
C'est ça, mais c'est important en tout cas. Il a dit qu'il mettait juste une pause, qu'il réfléchit et qu'il va, il va reprendre les études quand? L'année prochaine?
Next
No,
year.
just that I'm a little stubborn. I'm a little bit stubborn, so.
You recognize it is great. Ils ne sont pas nombreux qui reconnaissent qu'ils sont un peu perturbateurs. Hein.
Oui,
dit
il est un peu
qu'il-
têtu,
il dit qu'il est
n'est-ce
un
pas?
peu têtu lui-même. Donc
Mais il faut pas être têtu, hein.
No.
What are you hoping for today? Your hope?
Actually, it's my first time on live on a TV show, so
Yes.
actually I'm shaky.
But you are doing great.
Yeah,
You are doing great. Don't worry.
thank you. So I just hope everything goes on well. Let me leave this place.
Ça fait plaisir en tout cas.
But are you making money right now with your comedy or just doing
Yeah.
like that for now? Yeah.
You
Yeah,
do
I'm
only
actually-
comedy to live?
I do comedy, I do music.
Yes, music too, yes.
Yeah, actually I'm making money. Yeah.
It's good.
With your comedy or with other things?
My comedy.
Comedy, yeah.
Yeah.
Only your comedy.
Yeah, my comedy, but not that big money. Just money, just
Money to eat.
eat, like shoot another video.
Yes.
Yeah, that's all.
And the money comes from your different page or...
Not from my, like, okay, I actually shoot videos. Most of the time, like recently I've been doing promotions. I promote artist songs. So, like I can shoot a skit that use your song in the background. Or that I advertise your boutique, your business.
Yeah.
Or that I do birthday shout out. So,
Yeah.
Ok.
Great.
Les shout-outs, making money. Aïe.
Voilà, alors on a quelques personnes qui ont... Ah oui, qui ont un peu réagi, voilà. Il y a Rodrigue Niamsi qui dit « Qui que tu sois, je te salue ».
thank you. Salut là aussi. Merci.
Le Big Choco, c'est qui?
The Big Choco.
Le Big Choco, donne-nous simplement ton numéro. Je ne sais pas de qui on parle, hein, Dara, faut pas. Tu as déjà utilisé l'expression Big Choco dans tes sketchs?
But your
Parce
name
que
is
je-
Big Choco somewhere.
Big Choco.
Non.
Je ne sais pas de qui il parle quand il dit
Tu
Big
confonds,
Choco.
Tu te confonds, quoi.
Maybe.
Et Karestioff qui dit How are you? Please, John, what was the bigger difficulty in your job?
Actually, the biggest.
Look at the camera when you talk. Yeah.
Yeah. The biggest problem I was having, like, it was working with a team. Like, working with a team. At that time, when I just started, we were not expecting money. It was not like a business.
Yeah.
So, before you do something, you have to love it. If you are not doing it for money, like, you have to love it. So, working with a team,
Yeah.
everyone, like some of the crew members, they thought like, okay, I was making money from it, so I was just exploiting them. So at times they even went up to the extent of fight. So all those things.
Ouais.
Like,
You have to love your job. You are okay, but now that you are making money, don't you think that it's good to cheer them
To
with
have
all your team?
somebody
Yeah, you have to cheer it.
near you to
Yeah.
help you.
Yeah, that it actually help. You actually help, but that's it's the project.
Pour le moment, il veut s'occuper seul de sa carrière. Hein. C'est ce qu'on comprend là. Alors, Karestioff dit encore How have you done to get 6 million followers? Parce qu'il a quand même 6 millions de followers, et c'est énorme.
Not full.
On a vu des
Actually,
vidéos avec près de 14 millions de vues. Hein.
Yeah. The views. I have 180. I think 80 something K followers on Facebook. So I just think it's just through my videos. I do good videos. I don't copy. That's what I say. I don't copy. I create my own idea. I'm original.
Tu crées
And that's
toi-même
what people-
tes sketchs, c'est
Yeah,
pas des
yeah,
pâles
yeah.
copies d'autres sketchs, non.
I don't copy. I don't copy.
Donc toi, tu
And
penses
maybe
que c'est
because-
tout ça qui fait que tu es du monde qui te suit sur les réseaux sociaux.
Yeah, I'm an Anglophone. Actually, I do my videos in English.
In
only
English, ouais.
so-
Et vous n'êtes pas
But
beaucoup,
being
ils
an
ne sont pas
anglophone-
nombreux aussi. Hein.
Oui, ils sont pas nombreux.
Ils ne sont pas nombreux. par rapport-
Yeah. So being an Anglophone, you know, or a minor, so getting those views, the views I have, if it's just the Anglophone people supporting me, I can't get those views. So what I do is I do my videos in pure English, in such a way that every
ok, ça
English
s'élargit.
speaking person
C'est
can
ça.
understand.
Ok.
From Nigeria.
Donc que tu sois du Nigeria, du Zimbabwe,
yeah.
du Ghana,
De l'Angleterre.
tu vas cliquer de l'Angleterre, de
Yeah,
partout en
that's
fait.
why I have a lot of followers.
Ah
from
d'accord, ça
Nigeria,
s'explique
Ghana.
mieux.
Yeah, so that's
Ok, donc quand on fait une enquête sur ces followers qui sont très nombreux, on se rend compte qu'il ne s'agit pas seulement du Cameroun en fait. Voilà.
Un peu de partout.
Donc vous pouvez ne pas le connaître ici, mais il est très connu
yes,
ailleurs.
yeah.
C'est ça la magie du web, hein. C'est très important de le dire. Alors il y a Steve New qui dit c'est comment?
On est là.
John Skid est une source d'inspiration à la comédie anglophone au Cameroun. Il est le plus suivi parmi les anglophones. John Skid continue à prouver aux anglophones que même les anglophones du Cameroun peuvent faire des choses. Big up to you, bro. You and I will one day walk. Mark this name. Comic Steve. Voilà, c'est Comic Steve qui
Steve.
parle.
Keep the name.
Et puis il y a Frank Evans qui dit John Skid Crazy. Les anglophones ont une longueur d'avance sur les francophones et ce sont les bonnes personnes, bien à vivre et sociables. J'aime ce qu'il fait. Ses vidéos sont originales et beaucoup de courage à lui.
Merci,
Wow.
merci.
Waouh, c'est beau les messages comme ça. Ah là là. Alors il y a Sidiki Green qui dit c'est comment?
On est là.
John Skid, le gars qui porte la croix de Jésus au visage. Ah
Yeah,
oui,
that's true,
amène-nous ça, ouais, c'est vrai,
Yeah,
j'ai vu
yeah,
ça,
yeah,
j'ai vu
music.
ça.
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh my
d'accord.
Yeah.
Dis-nous, Mola, c'est quoi le PB avec les filles? Quel est le message que tu essaies de faire passer à l'endroit des garçons? Il paraît que tu
always
tires sur les filles.
Tu dis trop sur les
Tu
filles.
tires trop sur- Qu'est-ce que tu veux nous dire? Dis-nous
Non.
ce que tu veux nous dire. Nous sommes des filles, là. On t'écoute.
Make sure you say the
I
word.
just do things like out of experience. Like,
Look, yeah.
yeah, I do things that people can quickly relate.
Yeah.
Things that happen to you, things that happen to me. So I just know that if I do this, people will really like, okay, you actually laugh because it once happened to you.
Ouais.
So that's it. That's
Juste
it.
ça. Donc, tu n'as pas de problème avec nous?
No, I don't have a problem with girls.
Non, non, non. Quand on regarde tes sketchs, on a l'impression que tu as un problème avec les filles.
No, 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 I like girls.
I understand that you want to show what's reality in society, but do you not think that if you show girls like they are positive, they're hard worker, the message will be more powerful?
Yeah. It's comedy.
On t'influence pas, hein.
It's comedy. It's
Tu
not
peux
real
parler de
life.
ce qu'il vit.
Yes,
C'est
it's
comedy.
vraiment,
C'est qu'il
But
invente.
I understand, but
Is
it's
it your
comedy, so-
story? Your real story? Is it
No,
your...
it's not my story. Sometimes there's exaggeration. Just to make people laugh.
Les hommes ne sont pas tout râle pas, ouais.
Ah, c'est quoi ton problème? Oh là
Ce qu'on a
là.
vécu.
Alors, il y a B. Larissa. Just wanted to more grace to you. How can one get to be in one of your sketch?
casting.
Actually,
You're organizing?
Ah,
there's no casting, so.
Il insiste, vraiment, il n'est pas lui là.
c'est grave.
If you relate,
If you
if
relate.
you're good, like I love people. Like you cannot just come up to me like, okay, I want to work. You cannot just come up to me like, I want to work with you. Then I go, I check your account, I don't see anything.
Ouais.
Like
Ah, okay.
I don't see you trying to do anything on your own. So
Ouais.
we can't work.
You have to get content first.
Yeah, you have to get content. Even if it's not good, even if you don't have followers,
Yes.
even people are not
Try
supporting
something.
you. But if I see what you're doing and it's encourageable, you can work. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's just it.
Il y a Christian Diotchou, c'est comment?
On est là.
Big à toi, frangin. Très original tes vidéos, mais je dis, hein, tu me programmes quand pour une collaboration? C'est
Yeah.
Christian Diotchou. Chacun veut travailler avec toi. Hein.
Yeah. We'll see that.
Allez sur sa page Facebook, hein, inbox. Hein,
Yes.
Vous lui dites tout ce que. Surtout pour ceux qui veulent faire des castings, qui veulent montrer un peu ce que vous savez faire. Peut-être qu'il va te dire, viens, on tourne.
C'est normal.
Ah oui. Il y a Caresse Choff qui dit, Tata Joyce, j'attends toujours que tu nous dises où tu étais la semaine passée.
Pardon, dis-leur.
Big up à toi, Joe. Tu avais souvent combien en littérature? Tes intros sont propres. Tu avais souvent combien là?
Ah non, j'en ai pas le souvenir. Hein.
Comment ça, tu
Ah,
sais
non,
pas? On
je me
appelle
rappelle
maman?
pas. Non, je suis pas sûr qu'elle
On
aime
appelle
même
maman, elle-même se
bien.
rappelle
Non,
pas?
non, pas se souvenir.
Elle va
Faut pas
se
la-
souvenir.
On appelle
faut
la
pas
sœur?
l'embêter. Non, je devais
On
avoir, je sais
appelle la
pas.
sœur?
On appelle la sœur,
Dis
dis
note.
d'abord.
On peut continuer l'émission.
Non,
il y a
non, non,
Millet
c'est
qui-
l'émission qui se
dis.
passe.
Tu avais souvent
Non,
combien?
sincèrement, je m'en souviens pas.
C'est pas
Sincèrement,
possible,
je m'en souviens
Joe.
pas. J'ai pas.
Même pas une
Mais
seule
est-ce que
note?
tu étais quand même brave en littérature?
Ah, moi, je suis pas sûr. Hein.
Tu étais
Je
pas
suis
en
pas
maths
certain
ou en
de-
mathématiques ou littérature, toi? Tu es plutôt mathématiques ou littérature?
J'étais quoi?
Tu as fréquenté.
Entre les deux, Joe.
La connaissance
Non,
de-
non, ça dépend de l'époque. Je sais que
Non,
plus-
terminale.
En terminale.
Non, terminal plus de mathématiques.
Voilà.
Voilà, mais il y a une question quand même qui reste pendante. Tu étais où?
Voilà, dis, voilà.
Ah, moi
Moi, on a dit,
Mais
faites
on
de
a
la
dit que
musique.
c'est ce lundi à 21h que vous saurez
oui.
où j'étais mercredi.
Mercredi.
Mardi.
Mercredi. Donc, vous avez pris
Voilà.
2 jours pour tourner ça?
Ben oui.
Non.
Il faut bien se préparer. non?
Préparation.
Faut prendre un mois.
Préparation, et puis voilà.
Donc, un jour de répétition, un jour de tournage.
Voilà, tu as tout
Wow.
compris. On est en compagnie de John Skid Crazy. Et tout de suite, on va passer au thème de ce soir. Comment serait le monde sans musique? Pensez-vous qu'on puisse vivre sans musique? Without music.
Can you live without music?
Without...
Oui,
No.
There's someone that can
It's
do
the
that.
topic of this evening.
This evening.
Yeah.
Non. C'est le sujet d'aujourd'hui, on parle pas mal en anglais, vraiment.
Oui, c'est le sujet d'aujourd'hui, Chlorel.
Alors, ben tiens, on va aller sans transition, puisque nous étions dans la première, précisément à Bonapriso, où on a rencontré nos compatriotes à qui on a adressé cette question. Faut-il encore vous le rappeler? Ben oui, nous sommes le 21 juin et on célèbre la musique, et voici ce qu'ils en pensent. Voici donc le Vox Pop. À tout de suite.